I got all the juice. I got all the juice. One play cancel, call another like a audible. Ayy, I got all the juice. I got all the juice. Haters hating on me, stun on all of you.
What up, Player Made Squad, Player Made Gang? It's your boy, Mac Player Made, back with another video for the players and the players, you heard me? Today, we got another unboxing, you heard me? Now today, I did a little different. I said I wasn't gonna buy no more resold shoes because I'm skeptical about it. And after the StockX situation happened to me twice, not once, twice, I said, if I'm not getting them from the store, I just won't get them. You hear me? But I mean, like, if I haven't said it before, blue is my favorite color. You hear me? I'm pretty sure I've said it before. Everyone knows it. But I had to get these motherfuckers. If y'all know what I was talking about, I'm talking about the Royal Toe ones. You heard me? Hey, shout out to everybody who caught the shock drop of the Flint 13s. You heard me? I was unable. You heard my sneakers out was fucking up. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who was doing it too. But I wasn't able to get it. You heard me? But I ended up missing the release. The day of the release, I was actually up around like 6 a.m. I told myself that I was gonna set an alarm. I forgot to set the fucking alarm. What the fuck? The shoes came out at 9 o'clock. I fell asleep around about 6. Shoes released at 9. I woke up at like 10:40. You hear me? And you know how shoes be. They either gonna sell out fast or they gonna sell out fast, you hear me? When I say fast, 10-15 minutes. But when I say fast, man, you got a minute to 3 minutes and they gone. So I'm like, damn, I go right to the sneakers out, sold out. They doing like restocks, posting these bullshit ass links on Twitter, but they not working. So it's like, okay, what the hell I'm finna do? What the fuck I'm finna do? Cause I need these shoes. But I go to the sneaker con out first. I basically shop around, and when I tell you nobody was selling these shoes for under $250, you hear me? So I'm like, I go through all these apps, you hear me? And even now, like, I'm gonna put this on the screen. We're gonna go to StockX first. I don't buy from StockX no more, but y'all do. So, all right, we got StockX up. StockX, my size is a 13. Size 13 going for $260, you hear me? Like I said, over $250. Next, we gonna go to Flight Club, you hear me? Flight Club. Size 13 going for $370. Honestly, I trust Flight Club more than StockX, but hey, to each his own, you hear me? And now we gonna go over to the sneaker con app. Alright, we got the sneaker con out, Royal Toe.
So while I was doing this, I was trying to do it fast, so I basically didn't notice that I clicked on girl sizes. But I'm on the sneaker con app right now, and at this point it's been a couple of weeks. It's still like the lowest price I see is $260 for a size 13. You hear me? So it's still the same basically.
Say, let me go the old route, you hear me? I don't know if this was the first way to buy resold shoes, but it was one of them if it wasn't the first. I went to eBay, you hear me? I'm desperate. Like at this point, barely could find my size. So I ran across a couple of them. One guy was charging $400, another guy was charging $3 something. So I keep looking. I actually found a guy that was charging $280 for a size 13. So I went in, and I'm gonna keep it real. I didn't check it out or nothing, like none of that. I just went ahead. I wanted them so bad that I went ahead and bought them, you hear me? I had to have them. So I got them. Right? You got your Jordan 1 box. You hear me? Your regular Jordan 1 logo. Yup. Air Jordan 1 Retro Howl G. Black, white, game roll. You hear me? Jordan 1 box. You hear me? Yup. Checked it out, matched it up to my Jordan 1 boxes that I already have. Jordan 1 is my favorite shoe, so I pay a lot of attention to Jordan 1s more than any shoe, but the box checked out basically, matched up.
Bro, I don't know what the fuck was going on with my camera, but the motherfucker was blurry for a lot of the video, so I cut out some parts until it got back focused.
The shoe is just so fresh, man. It's like, bro, they crazy in hand. You hear me? And these was a must-have. If I ever can catch one of them restocks on Twitter, I'm definitely buying these over. I got to, cause I know I'm gonna wear these. And like I said before, I wear my shoes. I don't buy my shoes to resell them. If I happen to resell them, it's only cause I never wore them and the right price came. You hear me? I'm not in a position to turn down the right price. You feel me? I turned down some prices, but the right price, ah shit, these bitches can't go. You hear me? But these are your royal toe ones. People like to say that it's a poor man's fragment or the broke man's fragment or whatever. But honestly, I feel like the hype surrounding these, the hype didn't really get big until they released. You hear me? Before then, I feel like people were sleeping on this shoe. I wasn't, because first of all, blue is my favorite color. I couldn't sleep on it. But, dude, when I tell you, I can't complain at all about these shoes. I could go on all day about how good they look, you hear me? You feel me? But, hey, these your raw toe ones, you hear me? Dope. Y'all leave me down in the comment section, tell me how y'all feel about them, you hear me? But yeah, I'm finna put some pictures on there, you hear me? Let y'all check them out. While I was in the midst of doing this, I actually decided, I said this would be a perfect time to actually prank the guy who sold him, you hear me? He responded back good to me and everything, so I know I'll get a little slight reaction out of him. So I said, I basically sent him some pictures, you heard me? I said, these are fakes. The back strap is off, the bottoms are also different, and the stitching is different and inconsistent. The shoes don't even match. I've already sent a message through PayPal about a partial refund of $250. It says that if an agreement can be met directly, that they'll resolve this issue. So, and I actually go on PayPal to make it more realistic, and I file a claim, you hear me? File a claim. They let me send him a message through the PayPal emails. He basically says that there's no way they're fakes. They come directly from Nike. I'm not trying to argue with you about it at all. And he sends a couple of pictures of the artist stuff. I ain't gonna get on the picture because I'm pretty sure his address and stuff is on there, so I ain't gonna put it on there. But he says here are the emails from Nike when I purchased them. I said, as you can see from these pictures, the shoes are different, but it's fine. I've submitted the claim on PayPal. Bro, the shoes, they not different. You heard me? I had to say some shit, and I had to, of course, act like some shit, you heard me? But then he said, then send the shoes back. I will 100% refund the money. So, not only I'm gonna just finish this first. Then I'm gonna explain. And I said, how? He said, my address is on the box. Send the shoes back to me, and I will directly refund you the money on PayPal. I said, okay, I'll let you know when I ship them. He said, sorry that you think they are fakes, man. Hope you find some that you think are legit. Sorry for the frustration. I said, at this point, I'm like, man, let me go ahead and tell him it's a prank. You heard me? So I said, I'm sorry, bro. It was a prank for my YouTube. My bad. I had to send the whole PayPal message to make it look real. I love the shoes, basically. He was like, okay, then cancel the claim. I don't want to be out of shoes and money. I basically canceled the claim and everything. You heard me? And but yeah, looked like the prank worked. And in turn, I actually kind of found out that okay, maybe he's a legit seller. You hear me? Which I wasn't really intending on doing that. But usually when people are willing to give you your money back, it's cause they're legit. You hear me? Even in the situation, you hear me? But yeah, look like my prank worked too. So, hey, we up one, you hear me? I hope don't nobody prank me, cause I know I got something coming. Cause I got some pranks coming on some people and they don't even know they got it coming. You heard me? But make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on them post notifications so you know when I post my videos. You heard me? Player Made Squad, Player Made Gang. As we say, players don't fold. We adapt. Bow!
Bitch, I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. I don't answer calls if it ain't money on my line. Bitch, I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind. I'm on my grind.